You're
Right.
not even creating your own content, just taking content that's already out there, tweets, PowerPoints, blog posts, among other things, and just giving it to the world in video format on YouTube a different way by literally clicking a push of a button. That is going to get you traffic. That's going to get you views. James and Dave here with Making Money with AI. There's so many cool things that are happening in 2024, so many cool tools and products that you need to be aware of. What if you could not only literally clone yourself, but make content, make videos in ways you've never even thought possible? There's all kinds of tools that are out there that'll make videos for you if you give it a prompt. But what if you could make videos out of a tweet, out of a PowerPoint, out of just giving something an idea? All these different nuances. This is really crazy what's going on. We're going to break it down.
So I want to share a interesting tool called Fliki. It's Fliki AI. It's video creation made 10 times simpler and faster with AI. So here's some of the interesting options that it gives you. And by the way, this is all done with AI, which is really cool. But you can make videos from an idea. So just pop in an idea and it'll make videos with AI voices. You can take a blog post, an article, and pop it in there and it'll make a whole video for you. This is really amazing because there's a lot of really great blog posts, what I call master blog posts that go into a lot of detail. And you could create just super valuable video content by doing that. Just a blog post to video, PowerPoint to video. Check this out. So imagine you have a PowerPoint and you want to create a course, an online course, and all you do is upload the PowerPoint and it creates that video for you. It creates the whole course video for you. You no longer have to be on camera. You no longer have to narrate it yourself. It's automatically done for you. How about a tweet to video? Lately, James and I have seen some really amazing tweet threads that go into a lot of detail and turn that into video. Avatar video. So now you can have avatars, these AI generated people that will speak to the camera for you. And then you have product to video, which is where you can have product reviews made for you by the AI. And a lot of product review videos are great for affiliate marketing, right? People will review products and then they'll have their Amazon affiliate link in the description for people to buy the product through their affiliate link. So the uses for these new ways of creating video are so many, and there's so many different ways that we can do this. Let's talk a little bit about that, James, before we get into a little demo. I'd like to talk about the many different uses and ways you can make money with this.
Well, my mind's spinning. Like, for example, think of people that get all kinds of traffic and following all online. For example, Elon Musk. You could just make a YouTube channel and it's just making videos out of Elon Musk's tweets. So if Elon Musk makes a tweet about something, it's like, oh, here it is in video form. Because here's a big thing that I've learned over the years is that a lot of times the format of how someone consumes something is very important to them. So in other words, to me, I don't care if it's an idea that's going to help me. If you write it on a piece of paper, if you send smoke signals, I don't care how you get it. But over the years, talking to all kinds of customers, they say, I really wish you would have given this to me in a PDF. And I'll have other people that say, why are you giving this to me in PDF? I'd much rather in video. People are different. Some people are better seeing things. People learn better writing things down. The point is that you can take a medium, be it a blog post that's not even yours, and some people like blog posts. They like going to Medium and some of these sites. But you know what? There's a certain type of person or people out there that would much rather that in video. So just thinking that of in and of itself, you're
Right.
not even creating your own content, just taking content that's already out there, tweets, PowerPoints, blog posts, among other things, and just giving it to the world in video format on YouTube a different way by literally clicking a push of a button. That is going to get you traffic. That's going to get you views, and especially if you do it in a niche that people are into, whatever that may be. You can do a lot of things, but the real key to me here, this isn't necessarily exciting to people, but what I think is important is that your time really does matter, and it's something we all know. But if you really looked at your time, how much time you on Netflix, how much time you just putzing around, not getting to it, regardless of that, maybe you want to have extra time to read a book. There's nothing wrong with that. But the fact of the matter is, time is important. And if you can eliminate time by clicking a button and having all this great stuff created, which you might not have even have done it at all, or it might have took you 5 hours to make a video like this to come up with the idea, etc. Now you can just plug and play something, and now you have content for the world. It really is eye-opening what's possible.
It really is. Here's the thing about content. Like we talk about content, people talk about content. In my mind, content equals traffic. When you create content, that generates traffic, right? And so really what this is a traffic video. We're showing you how to generate a lot of traffic in a short period of time. Video traffic is probably the best kind of traffic. It has the highest buyer intent, people looking to buy something. And now you can create video content super, super easily. So we're going to go into and we're going to demo this tool and show you exactly how it works. So all you do is click on login right here. It's free to get started. I'm going to use my Google account. You could use any one of these. You could even log in with email if you want. I'm just going to use my Google account and you are in. This is how you get started. So what you do is you're going to want to set up a new file. So this is how you get started. Click on new file and then create a file name. I'm just going to call it test. And then decide on the aspect ratio that you want. So we want a typical video 16:9 aspect ratio, but notice you have these other options: square for social media, portrait for vertical, and then you over here you can click start with an empty file, an idea, a blog post, PowerPoint, etc., tweet, product. So let's start with just an idea and then click submit. Now we're going to give it an idea prompt. Give me the latest news about crypto as of January 1, 2024. And you could choose stock media, you can choose different sound effects, etc. We're going to just go with stock media. And then you could decide on how long your video is going to be. Let's see. Let's go with a 1-minute video since that's all we have here for free. If you want more, you can just sign up and click submit. And it's now creating that video for you. All we did was give it a prompt. Okay. This is the amazingness of AI right now. You start with one sentence, and with one sentence, it creates a video for you. And there is the video. So it's going to give you a breakdown of the first scene, the second scene, the third scene, all the way through.
Which you could edit if you want, but I mean, but it's done.
Right.
That's it.
You can preview the video over here.
Blockchain breakthroughs, the latest crypto news of 2024. It's a brand new year and crypto's impact is more significant than ever. Let's dive into the latest happenings in the blockchain world. Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, maintains its dominance. Despite increased competition, it continues to break new price records, thrilling investors globally. Ethereum is making waves, too. With Ethereum 2.0 now fully functional, it promises faster transactions, lower fees, and greener operations, exciting developers and users alike. Meanwhile, privacy coins are gaining traction. Monero, Scash, and other privacy-focused cryptos offer users anonymity, addressing growing data privacy concerns in our digital age. In regulatory news, governments worldwide are recognizing crypto's power. Increased crypto regulation hints at its mainstream acceptance, yet still sparks debates about financial freedom and control. Crypto's future looks bright as we step into 2024. Stay tuned as we continue to break down the latest developments in this dynamic arena.
Is that killer or what?
That is pretty amazing. And, the only thing I would change is this initial scene, which looks like a very sad scene for some reason.
Right.
So what you want to do is click on that, and then you're going to ask it to add a different video, for that.
So what I really like about this is that, I mean, it was showing Bitcoin stuff. I mean, we could change things, but bottom line is it took us a couple minutes to explain this. But really, it took in this example for like a 1-minute video was like 30 seconds to create this thing. So if we wanted to, in this example, we could have a daily news channel
Daily
for crypto if
Yep.
we wanted to. That is insane. And that was just with an idea. Now we could import other things like PowerPoint presentations, all kinds of stuff, blog posts. Really, really cool tool.
Yeah, imagine, let's say that I subscribe to a lot of different crypto, blogs, publications, newsletters. You find a really killer article about something that's hot, new, and trending. Pop that article into this tool, and now you've got the latest, hottest news about, in this case, crypto, right? Choose your own niche. You got the latest, hottest news, and you could immediately pop that up on YouTube and start getting traffic and views because it's a new, hot, trending topic. And that's where you want to capitalize on that all fresh content that's just come out. You want to do that with your niche, whatever niche you decide to work in.
Or niches. That's the thing, is that you can have, there's 100 different things you could get into. So the power of this, the fact that you're not having to waste your brain power, if you will, you're letting the AI do it, you're letting the blogs do it, you're letting everybody has ideas, everybody has talent, but why not leverage the fact that there's other stuff going on that's not you? Leverage an Elon Musk, leverage a PowerPoint presentation that someone worked on for a long time, leverage the fact that an AI can create the content for you. Why not? Yes, use your brain power in different ways, but I think one of the biggest issues people have is just executing, getting things done. People don't
Right.
necessarily like videos. People don't necessarily like to show their face, but they know the traffic is there. So if the traffic is there, you don't want to show your face. This is a faceless YouTube channel, but even that is not necessarily exciting to people anymore. Faceless YouTube channels, like they heard that, but now it's like crazier because the content can be grasped in a whole bunch of different ways, right? It's one thing to say, yeah, I can have a faceless YouTube channel. It's another thing when it's like, I really can have a faceless YouTube channel because I can just click a button and then it's really getting where I need it to go. So this is really, really cool tool that I'm going to check out.
Yeah. Think about this too. What if you did a newsletter on a particular topic and the newsletter's videos, 2 or 3 videos each day, which you can do in minutes with this tool, and you just bring the latest news on your topic, right? Whatever topic that is. And you could just send that out every day. You're providing massive value from using content that's already out there, but you're changing it into video format, which people prefer to use anyway, most of the time.
So for 2024, a big thing that Dave and I are doing along with you as part of our AI army is really recognizing that your time is valuable. And there are tools out there, there's going to be processes out there where you can really supercharge the output that you can do while absolutely minimizing the time that you need to do it. And the fact is, you need to start doing this stuff because people are 100xing their productivity. If you don't use this tool or tools like this, they're just going to outwork you, even though you could work 8 hours a day. And it's hard. If you're there 8 hours a day, are you truly working hours a day? But let's just say you could. If you could have a focused 8 hours a day, someone else, they're just doing 40 hours a day by using a tool like this.
Exactly. Yeah. That's the whole goal in 2024 for us, and should be for you, is make your time count 10 times bigger, 20 times bigger, 50 times bigger, right? Whatever amount of time you put into your business, make that leverage multiple X times. And that's the way you're going to make a lot more money in 2024. So thank you all for joining us. Be sure to check out our free AI newsletter at the link in the description below, so you get all our latest videos, news, resources, tools, and you'll be the first to learn about the AI Army membership that's coming up really soon, really, really soon. We look forward to having you join us in the AI Army soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.